So a lot of people take handwritten notes, and these handwritten notes, we have to go ahead and input them into a Word document on our computer. Let me show you how to use AI to go ahead and do that. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step on how to do this. The first step is you want to go ahead and take a picture of your handwritten note. And here's my handwritten note over here. It's an example of a note that comes from a construction site. It says the date was April 2nd. The site was Tower B, level 12. The crew was late for 20 minutes and other information over here. All right. Once I've taken the picture, I can come into my AI tool, in this case, my Copilot tool. I can click on the add content, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that image. Once I've uploaded the image is going to be in here, and I want to go ahead and paste this prompt. Turn these site notes into a clean, professional daily site report for a Word document. I'm specifying exactly what I want to include: project info, short executive summary, work progress, issues and risk, action items. I'm doing an extra add-on here. I wanted to tell me some recommended next steps, so solutions to some of the problems and risks that it sees inside of my notes, and also provide me a brief best practice suggestion from trusted link sources. I'm going to go ahead and send that. My Copilot tool is going to go ahead and give me a structured report that is professional and easy to use inside of a Word document. Say for example, look, my Tower B construction level 12, April 2nd, it captured all of that key information. Over here in my work progress, crew arrival delayed by approximately 20 minutes, exactly what was inside of my notes. It also captured some issues, but what I really like here is that it captured some action items that is suggesting for me. Priority action items here is address water pooling near east wall or temporary mitigation. So you can see over here, it puts out all those action items. And lastly, it tells me some recommended best practices and next steps, mitigate water pooling immediately. And also gives me, if I click over here, a link to an actual construction website that will give me solutions to go ahead and ensure that I solve some of those issues identified. If I wanted to go ahead and take this prompt to a Word document, I could simply just say input it into a Word document. Let's go ahead and have a look at my Word document. I'm going to go ahead and download that Word document, open it up over here. Here are my notes effectively put together inside of a Word document. All I had to do was take a screenshot of that specific note and put it in here.